My name is Gbemisola Oduntan. I'm the managing director for Seyi Oduntan Farms Limited, and we are popularly known as Sofi Foods. We do local ethnic foods. We farm it ourselves because we have a farm, and we grow most of everything we produce. We grow. We are doing this because of traceability, so that whenever you buy from our farm, you are sure of food safety, and you are sure that whatever you buy, we're able to trace back to the roots of where you got the things from. We started this business in January 2013. Well, it's been very, very challenging. If it hadn't been for our doggedness, I don't think we'll be here today. It's been a very rough road because of the standards that we needed to attain before coming out. One of the standards is that we need to get the NAFDAC numbers. That took a lot of toil on the business, and the packaging too took a lot of toil. We found out that we didn't get good packaging, and when we got good packaging, it was very expensive. The volume we needed to do for each of the products is so high, and for an SME, I think it's too much, because if you use all your money on packaging, then at the end of the day, you now have enough money to put the stock into the package material that you've got. That's why it's taking us this long to come to this point. You find out that, for example, if you look at the gari on the shelf, for me to get that packaging right, I have to do a minimum quantity of 10,000 pouches. I have like 8 products, which means for each product, I have to do 10,000 pouches. And that, because of that, you find that you tie a lot of money down for things that are not necessary. We are looking at Nigeria to help us with a situation where you can buy as you need, just in time need, so that we are able to use the amount of money we have to enlarge the business.
All those materials, are they made here?
Well, for the ones that I say are 10,000 pieces each, they're made in Nigeria. The ones that we buy little quantities for, they're imported. And that's where we buy the imported ones, because I'm able to buy 50 pieces per pack. Whereas for the Nigerian ones, I have to buy 10,000 pieces. The Nigerian packaging industry has a lot to do, because we need to do standardization of our packaging material, in the sense that we need to be able to get to the used materials that will get us into the international market, that will be the same standard as a package that's used abroad. And I don't think it's impossible. But the only problem about it is that what it entails to get that is too much, it's too expensive. And it's the expense that is driving people away from it. So they use makeshift material. When they use makeshift material, it compromises the products in the packaging. So we need packaging materials and packaging companies that can assist the SMEs that are struggling to come on to the platform. You need them to assist them to do smaller minimum quantities, so that they can perfect what they're doing. My experience here is wonderful. I tried to come to Food West Africa last year. I couldn't afford it because it was too expensive. This year, we have struggled to be here, but it's been worth a while, because we've had a lot of business-to-business customers, and we've had a lot of business-to-consumers customers as well. We've had opportunities that if we didn't come to this show, we would not have gotten. It's a good way to have good market access.